Hello everyone, welcome. Today in the not in today's newspaper. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday. It's today actually Sunday, and I've told you yesterday in this weekend edition of Saturday Sunday, November the 4th or 5th, 2023. We have only one puzzle page, not the additional with extra puzzles. So what I will do on Sunday today, I will solve these two puzzles first. Two puzzles are left in this puzzle page, the binary and the Sudoku with 3 stars. And what I will do is also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. We have a puzzle, 3 puzzles left, so I will do those as well. And in the evening, cannot promise you, but if I have the time, I will solve the Samwise Sudoku. Yeah, the Samwise Sudoku. But first, this one will be number 7393. 7393. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Cannot be a 3 stars, because for 3 stars puzzle usually has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more, so it should be easier. And but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. I think it's a 0 stars puzzle, and for a 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 40, maybe 50 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or 1 star puzzle or a 3 stars puzzle. It's 3, yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left where the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have 6 and a 1 in this column, so no 6 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 1, 6 and a 1. Well, we have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in the first row. 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only place left for the 5 should be there. Then we have a 4 in this first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about? 3, 3. Come on, 3, 3. Well. 3, 3. Let me see. 5, 5. 7, 7. Need a 2 here. We have a 9. I need a 7 here. And Yeah. Need 8 here. Come on. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here's 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. Well, I think the 9 should be here because 1 box left in this column should be the 9. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. Yeah, 9 is missing. I need a 9 here. I need a 6 here. Yeah. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 2 here. 2, 5, and a 7. Need a 7 here also. Need a 2, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 8. Need 9. Okay. So I need a 2 here. Need a 6 here. I need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Two and a 9. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in the first row, so no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So 1 digit left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. We have 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Need 8 here. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. Need to wait. 1, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers in the first row are the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. Let me mark those. 1, 3, 7. Well, I cannot fill this yet. The other 3 in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 269. Well, cannot fill this yet. 1, 1. Okay, 4. Need a 2 here. Need a 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and the 7 in the last column, so no 2 and the 7 in this box. 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay, 2 2. Okay, 9 9. 5 5. Interesting. 6 6. Yeah. 8 8. 1 1 1 1. 1. Need a 1 there. Need a 2 here. Come on, where's the opening? The opening. 3 3. Must be a hidden number here somewhere. 1 2 3 4. Need a 5 here. 9. 1 2 3 1 5. And the 6. Need a 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. Yeah. We have a 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing and 6 is missing. 1 5 6 1 5 6 1 5 6 1 5 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this big square. No 6 there. Here can be 6 because we have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. So the only place left with the 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only place level the 6 should be there. Here we have 2, 6, 9. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there. The only place level 6 should be here. So the 2 and the 9 are left. In the second row, we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. Middle column, so we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left with 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Alright. And now 2 2 1 3 7 1 5 9 9 9 yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the second column, no 9 there. The only place left with 9 should be there. So the 1 is missing in this big square, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes and there. Then here also 2 numbers left in the middle row, the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 2, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 2 goes in there. The 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 and 7 are left. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes and there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Wow! Not faster than 14 or 15 minutes. But is it really a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 20 minutes. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So it should be a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle in this puzzle page. 2 puzzles are left in this puzzle page. The binary, I believe. Yes. Until then, bye-bye for now.